I challenge you to compete in this simulated investing tournament to win some serious money. I hope you'll join us. I'll be coaching you every step of the way.
So if you didn't know it, now you know. The epicenter for everything cannabis is Washington, D.C. I don't know what your signal was sniffing out on Friday, but obviously the conversation around the MSOS and, hitting the bottom end of the range. I don't know what you were talking about yesterday, or Friday. I mean, I know what you were talking about, but it ramped up. The MSOS ramped up 9% on Friday, likely on the back of a Republican-led marijuana legalization bill. It's not about what's in the bill. It's the fact that the Republicans are coming out with some sort of bill. Now, it is a long way, and I'll let JT explain how things work in Washington, but this hasn't even been proposed to a committee yet, and it's got to get to a committee to get to the House or to the Senate. So long way away. But the point here is that you have a Republican bill and potentially, Republicans coming on board with the Democrats to get something done. So it looks like 2022 is, the prospects of something happening in 22 are going up significantly. At least that's what we wrote about over the weekend. So, it's been a painful ride, along with the Biden approval rating and sort of the dislocation that the Democrats have provided the cannabis industry. So, but it looks like things may be changing a little bit here.
It was interesting on Friday that this Republican Congresswoman did introduce, her name's Nancy Mace, introduced this piece of legislation. Still a way to go for her to get that through committee. Remember, Republicans have absolutely no power. They're just sort of stalling on Capitol Hill right now. They've got their own agenda. And the Democrats are running the show. Howard is spending way too much time for me. He's got this nailed already. But what Mace's bill will do, and this is significant, it might move the ball on this Schumer bill in the Senate that Schumer, Booker, and Ron Wyden are working on. And that is the Democratic move, and Schumer's trying to get more Republican support. Elements of this House bill, what Mace is introducing, could become part of what Schumer is doing, and they could find a pathway to 60 votes there in the Senate. So when Howard and I talked, I still think that we have a ways to go for legalization. I think that our base case, as Howard knows, is the Senate is the SAFE Act, the banking bill, but that was not insignificant last Friday. That there is some movement on the Republican side. So if they can eke out a few provisions there that will be acceptable to Republicans, Schumer brings that into his bill, then there's a path forward. So we'll be watching it very, very closely at the beginning of, throughout this year and the beginning of 2022.
Just to be clear on this Mace bill is a pro-cannabis Republican bill?
Yeah, pro-cannabis legalization bill. Her bill won't become law. Again, Republicans don't have that sway right now, but elements of what she's doing, there is some Republican support there. If the Democrats see an opening there and see a way to bring through elements of her bill, bring them into the fold, if Schumer were smart, he'd likely incorporate them into his bill, which still hasn't been introduced, by the way. We've been waiting for this since September, if I'm not mistaken. The key point here is to watch what Schumer drops from a bill, Schumer Booker, in the coming weeks.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.
Hedgeye's Cyber Monday sale is here. This is the best deal we offer anytime on our investment research. Since 2008, Hedgeye's 40-plus analyst team has helped investors big and small navigate volatile financial markets. Now, let Hedgeye help you. Our special Cyber Monday sale features steep discounts on all of our industry-leading investment research. Explore our range of products that can suit your specific research needs. Don't miss Cyber Monday at Hedgeye.